Japanese cars of the 80s continue to amaze, with even mass-produced models boasting advanced technologies, not to mention concept cars. One shining example is the Nissan NX-21. In the early 80s, Nissan aimed to predict the 21st century car's design. At the October 1983 Tokyo Motor Show, they unveiled two prototypes. One, the Nissan NR-V2, looked ordinary but featured advanced electronics like radar and navigation. The other, the Nissan NX-21, had a more expressive exterior and still impresses today, almost 40 years later. The NX-21 was a four-seater with two massive gull-wing doors opening to both front and rear seats due to its nearly 3-meter wheelbase, creating a spacious interior. It featured a digital dashboard with an ELT screen, touch panels on both sides of the driver, and buttons for the automatic transmission and handbrake on the center armrest. The NX-21 also had an onboard computer, voice-controlled weather and fault notification system. Externally, the car stood out with its wedge-shaped body, where the trunk lid and windshield formed a single plane. The engine and transmission were in the rear, with numerous air intakes and a ceramic turbine inscription, suggesting a gas turbine engine, delivering 100 horsepower and capable of running on kerosene, gasoline, or diesel with fuel efficiency comparable to traditional engines. Despite never being planned for production, the Nissan NX-21 showcased the company's technological prowess and its vision for 21st century cars.